Welcome to an extraordinary journey where language meets breathtaking landscapes. Today, we embark on an adventure to Banff National Park, a jewel nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Prepare to immerse yourself in its frozen beauty while enhancing your English vocabulary. Our first stop is Lake Louise, often called the Jewel of the Rockies. In winter, this iconic lake transforms into a magnificent ice rink, surrounded by snow-capped peaks. Notice the word magnificent, meaning impressively beautiful. The snow-capped peaks refer to mountains with snow on their tops. Next, we venture to Moraine Lake, another stunning glacial lake. Although often frozen solid in winter, its surrounding valley of the 10 Peaks offers unparalleled views. Unparalleled means having no equal, unmatched. The glacial lake is a lake formed by a glacier. As we explore, keep an ear out for terms describing the winter environment. You might hear crisp air, meaning cold and fresh air, or pristine snow, referring to pure, untouched snow. The frost-kissed trees are trees covered lightly with frost. We'll also encounter wildlife. Look for elk, large deer with impressive antlers, and perhaps a bighorn sheep scaling the rocky slopes. These animals are resilient, meaning they can withstand difficult conditions. Our journey takes us through dense coniferous forests, composed mainly of pine, spruce, and fir trees. The undergrowth beneath these trees is often covered in a thick blanket of snow. Consider the serene atmosphere of the park, meaning calm and peaceful. The tranquil silence is only broken by the crunch of snow underfoot or the distant call of a bird. We'll discuss geothermal hot springs, like the Banff Upper Hot Springs, where you can relax in mineral-rich waters while surrounded by snow. Geothermal relates to the heat of the Earth's interior. Learn about the formation of glaciers, massive bodies of ice that move slowly, carving out valleys, and shaping the landscape over millennia. Millennia refers to thousands of years. Finally, we'll reflect on the conservation efforts in place to protect this incredible ecosystem. Conservation means the protection of animals, plants, and natural resources. This immersive experience is designed to help you articulate your observations and feelings about nature in English. Articulate means to express an idea or feeling fluently and coherently. So grab your virtual winter gear and let's dive into the vocabulary of Winter Wonderland. By the end of this video, you'll not only have witnessed the splendor of Banff, but also enriched your English language skills. Enjoy the journey.